What's good, people? So I'm not going to do a review of the DJI Neo. There's a lot of videos on YouTube talking about the DJI Neo. I'm just going to share my thoughts of what I think about it. To be honest, this is an entry-level drone. It's got good technology for a device like this, but when it comes to video quality, I would say that it's entry-level. Don't expect glorious footage. And I'm not those YouTubers or content creators or filmmakers who just want to sell you a product. I'm just going to be honest with you. Don't expect high quality images. So we went out to do a quick test, and I also took the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. In the video, you will see the comparison of the video quality image of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Neo. You see that there is a difference. It's quite close, but this has more resolution. So at the end of the day, I'm not trying to see which one is better than this. All these devices have their own uses. Will I use this? Yes, I'll use it sometimes. Maybe if I want to show people the location, the aerial shots, something like that. But in terms of video quality, I'm really not impressed. I'm impressed with the video quality of this. I've been using this on my vlogs and it's an amazing device. This, I'll still use it. I wouldn't use it like most of the time. Maybe if I go in locations where they don't require, where they don't want big drones, then I'll go use this. But if you're looking for high quality image stuff, then you gotta save up and get the other drones, which are of better quality. Because to be honest, video quality wise, like what I've said in this video, this is entry level. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you gonna get the DJI Neo, or are you just gonna save up and get a proper drone? Because a lot of times when a new device drops out, people get reviews and people just start commenting and saying, I'm gonna go get it, I'm gonna go get it. Because their favorite YouTuber is probably telling them that you should get this is the best thing. But in reality, their favorite YouTuber has the expensive drone. And in reality, their favorite YouTuber is getting paid to showcase this thing. So they'll say whatever they want to say so that they get more money. But to be honest, let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you going to get this, or are you going to save up and get a better drone? For me to continue making these videos, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll be making more content. If you want me to make more content on the DJI, please let me know in the comment section. Give me suggestions, but I'm not going to do much review on the device.